Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to turn on or off automatic home clock on itel S15 mobile phone. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, you'll have to do is click the digital clock on your home screen. And after that guys, okay, click the three dot on the upper right side on your screen. And click settings. In clock, okay, you can see the automatic home clock. And okay guys, on the right side, you can see the switch button. And okay guys, if the automatic home clock is on, okay, while traveling in an area where the time is different, add a clock for home. And okay guys, you'll have to do is enable the automatic home clock by switching on the switch button on the right side. And okay guys, we have successfully turned on. And okay guys, you can turn off again by switching off the switch button. And okay guys, I decide to turn on the automatic home clock. And okay guys, that's it. We have successfully turned on or off the automatic home clock on itel S15 mobile phone. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.